Welcome back to 60 Seconds. I want to share with you a historical development which happened last week. The first C-295 military aircraft has been rolled out from the facility in Vadodara, India. This facility is a joint venture between Tata's and the Airbus Spain. This is for the first time an Indian private company is manufacturing military aircraft. This is the success of Make in India. This is an example of Atmanirbhar Bharat.
60 seconds from the Embassy of India.
The Tata Airbus facility was jointly inaugurated in October 2024 in Gujarat by Honorable Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi and His Excellency President of Spain Pedro Sanchez. We in India manufacture 13,000 parts in 37 factories, which is equivalent to 85% of the total components required. The aircraft can carry up to 71 soldiers or 49 paratroopers or 9.5 tons of weight. Once fueled, it can endure flight for 13 hours.